Welcome back, my dear students of class 9. Dear students, we are continuing the digital video of the cell structure and function, that is the fundamental unit of life. And in this connection, we have discussed a lot in the previous videos about the cell organelles, different cell organelles, and now come to the brain of the cell, that is called nucleus. So today you will study about the nucleus in this digital video. So let us see cell structure and function, and that is nucleus. Dear students, this nucleus that is called the brain of the cell. That is the brain of the cell. This is called brain of the cell. Why it is called brain of the cell? It is called brain of the cell because it is having a different types of the organic inorganic material, in which the genetic material is very important, and genetic material, that is chromosome, and non-genetic material, that is RNA, ribonucleic acid, and genetic material, that is containing by the chromosome, that is the DNA. So students, let us see about the structure of the nucleus, so that you will be able to understand the complete structure. Therefore, see this. This is the nuclear membrane, and this nuclear membrane is get connected with the endoplasmic reticulum, and it dipped into the cytoplasm as a ball-like structure, so that it floats in the nucleus as a yellowish color. When you see the hen egg, then you will find that the color of the nucleus, that is the yellow, and inside it there is a nucleolus. This is the nucleolus, which is the group of the which is responsible for the arising new chromatin threads, and in this nucleoplasm is there. There are nucleoplasm in the nucleus, and this nucleoplasm gets separated by the nuclear membrane from the cytoplasm in the cell. So students, now very important structure, that is this is chromosome, this is the chromosome, and now label it. This is nuclear membrane. This is nuclear membrane, and this is nucleolus. This is chromatin. This is chromatin, and this is chromosome. And these structures, these are called nucleoplasm. So this is nucleoplasm. So dear students, in this structure, let us see the endoplasmic reticulum. This is ER. Endoplasmic reticulum. And this is called nuclear pore. Nuclear pore. So students, this is the structural diagram of the nucleus. If you cut it, if you see as a whole ball, then you will find that this is a ball-like structure. This is a ball-like structure. And it is perforated this is a ball-like structure and it is perforated somewhere, something like this. So this is called the nuclear pore. Nuclear pore. And this is called nuclear membrane. So when you see the ball-like structure inside the cell, then you will look here, the structure somehow this, and that structure is, that will look like this. So students, you have to draw this diagram, you have to practice this diagram in the practice copy, so that you will be able to learn the biology. This is nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane, that is the ball-like structure. This is the morphology, this is the internal diagram of the nucleus. So this is the morphological shape of the nucleus. As a whole, you will look like it. And you will look when you cut it in the section either transverse or longitudinal, then you will see the structure like this. My dear student, in this nucleus structure, first of all, the content of the nucleus, that it gets surrounded by the nuclear membrane, which is a double membrane. Inside it, there is the nucleoplasm, the material content which gets separated by the nuclear membrane, that is called the nucleoplasm. Inside the nucleoplasm, the number of the chromosomes, the fixed number of the chromosomes gets suspended inside it, and these are the chromatin fibers. This is the newly synthesized chromosomes, which is done by this nucleolus. The main function of the nucleolus is to synthesize the new strands of the chromosomes, new chromatin fibers. And this is the nuclear pore for the exchange of the material. The exchange of the material from the cytoplasm to nucleoplasm, that is done by either by the nuclear pore or by this endoplasmic reticulum. This is the transporting way. So dear students, this is all about the structure of the nucleus. And now we will discuss about the function of this nucleus. So my dear student, this is called as the brain of the cell because this chromosome, this is called genetic material. This is called genetic material, and this genetic material is composed of the DNA. In this, ribosomes are there. Ribosomes will be there. Ribosomes, RNA. Somehow you will find this RNA. RNA molecule will be here in this. So my dear student, now further, the function of this nucleus is to control all the function of the cell. Why it will control all the function of the cell? Because it is having the genetic material, that is chromosome. So my dear student, that is chromosome. My dear student, let us see the structure of the chromosome along with this. So this is the centromere. This is the arm. Always chromosome will be in pair. So this is a pair of chromosome, and in this is called centromere. Centromere. This is called arm. This is called telomere. The end part is called telomere. Telomere. So student, this is the structure of the chromosome that is formed in the form of pair. And the main function is, actually this chromosome is the bundle of the DNA, which I will be able to explain you in the next video, my dear students. So this is the genetic material, the number of the chromosome, that is, for example, the human cell, the number of chromosome is 46, means 23 into 2. So 23 pair will be there. And out of this 23, 22 into 2, that will be 44. That will be the autosomes. And 1 into 2, that will be the 2. That will be the sex chromosome. Sex chromosomes like X, XX and XY. So this is in male, this is in female. This is in female, this is in female. So these are the sex chromosomes. Out of 46, 44 will be the autosomes that are responsible for the growth of the body, and one pair of the chromosomes that are called sex chromosomes that is responsible, that will be responsible for the sexual reproduction in the male and female. So my dear students, this is all about the structure of the nucleus. And as far as function of the nucleus is concerned, you will see the detailed video of this chromosome, DNA and RNA, whatever is. So thank you very much. Keep watching. Good day.